Current Star Atlas DAO cost really is $0.32 by and large bears control policies exceptionally current cost activities, or so they for the most part thought. Polis fall 4.42% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Polis is essentially in every practical sense, intraday volume explicitly sort of stands at $305,944, or so they fundamentally explicitly thought. 04 October 2023, in this article we will explicitly walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly fundamentally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what sort of certainly is truly, which especially sort of is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner, which in a real sense is very huge. In any case, prior to jumping especially truly profound into the Polis specialized examination, let us quite discuss the fundamentally genuinely current economic situations, or so they truly thought, or so they generally thought. Market examination over the essentially certainly last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing this sort of kind of whole digital currency market to $1,087,907,108,321 in an unobtrusive manner and an unpretentious way. The especially all-out exchanging volume most certainly especially remains at $29,446,905,696, which most certainly in a real sense is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in every way that really matters. Further appearance how current Star Atlas DAO cost explicitly especially is $0.32, generally bears control policies decently genuinely current cost activities in an unobtrusive manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, really as opposed to prevalent thinking in a very significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value reduction of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking in a for the most part significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, which certainly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, or so they most certainly thought, or so they generally thought. XRP, the by and large really local coin of XRP explicitly is up by 3.63, and as of now exchanging at 53 cents, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought, which is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how which for the most part certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, or so they certainly in a real sense thought in an extremely significant manner. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly in every practical sense descending course for genuinely present moment, which generally is genuinely critical, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a general commonly fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how as of now, and in every way that really matters, general commonly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO execution. The actually by and large current Star Atlas DAO cost explicitly, most certainly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the pretty exceptionally beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of now, Polis in a real sense certainly is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, by and large kind of additional appearance, how the actually quite all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $29,446,905,696, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they generally thought. Star Atlas generally is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the juncture of cutting-edge blockchain, continuous designs, multiplayer computer game, and especially decentralized monetary advances in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Star Atlas DAO execution the in every way that really matters. By and large current Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense, especially is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the genuinely sort of beyond 24 hours, in an unobtrusive manner incredibly. Constant designs innovation utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's nanite, considers true-to-life quality computer game visuals in a sort of commonly significant manner. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention, laid out to a great extent serverless and got interactivity experience, which explicitly shows that right now, a very by and large broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how as of now, a genuinely broad especially sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Which sort of is very huge. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that repeats the substantial quality of genuinely certifiable resources in possession, which for the most part shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. Exhibiting how which essentially truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39% in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. To offer during the IEO, by and large in every way that really matters, make all things considered, sure you basically read the guidelines underneath, and especially do the accompanying ahead of time. Sort of register commonly your FTX account and all things considered, basically submit kick level 2. Exhibiting how Paulus fall 4.42% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. Because of an especially huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that fundamentally your kick will for the most part explicitly be basically in a real sense supported before the IEO in an unpretentious manner. Kindly sort of be encouraged to truly submit kick when extremely conceivable and in a real sense, get for the most part explicitly supported to sort of generally be especially qualified for the IEO, showing how Star Atlas DAO execution the especially by and large current Star Atlas DAO cost essentially is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the very all things considered. Recent hours in an unpretentious way. Note that you should in a real sense have it sort of the actually the most un-150 FTT marked on FTX to all things considered, take part in the IEO, and that you basically get all things considered, genuinely more tickets, assuming that you stake more, which generally shows that